is number 29. 29 premium basketball jersey. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Let's run it. Let's run it. Let's run it. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 51. 51, 51. Good. Okay. 51. All right, let me grab that real quick. Bobby, what's up, man? Yo, yo, yo. 51. Oh, my legs. Yeah, baseball, football, and... Alright, 51 on 58, basketball. Yep, Bob, you're good. I got you. I'll put those in real quick. Okay. Alright, 10 by 10's up to 140. 140, 140. And then a 10 by 10. Who won last night? You still have 101 bucks left. Alright, Susie, Chief Keef, Jake, Susie, Steven Gonzalez, Dallas with 12. Tim, Elijah, Cade with 6. Chief Keef, Sean, Brian, Anthony, and Anthony Coleman. Alright, guys, 5 times. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Chief Keef, you're on top. And Cade, you're on the bottom 5 times. Okay. Group you in together. Alright, Anthony, you got the Pacers, Coleman, Jazz, Shy D, Nets, Cade, Celtics, Nuggets, Warriors, Grizzlies, Pelicans, Wizards, Dallas, Cavs, Mavs, Rockets, Clippers, Lakers, Heat, Bucks, Timberwolves, Knicks, Magic, Kings, Spurs, Elijah, Thunder, Jacob, Raptors, Chief Keef, Hawks, Pistons, Sean, Blazers, Steven Gonzalez, Hornets, Susie, Sixers, Suns, Tim with the Bulls. Nicholas Carreri, good. Bob looks good. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. 10 by 10's going there. Let me fix that real quick. With Nick off. 7 left in the full-size basketball. Okay. Any trades? If not, we'll get it going. Full-size lids up next. Full-size lids up next. We good? Alright, 51 out of 58. Here we go. Alright, see what we have here. JSA double A 48850. Kyrie. Check West. Alright, Kyrie Irving. Authentic 8 double AA. Kyrie. Nice Kyrie Irving. Check West. For your Cleveland Cavaliers. Authentic Kyrie Irving Adidas jersey. Double XL. Kyrie Irving for Cleveland. Going to Dallas. Kyrie Irving, autographed jersey. Very nice. He was a dog, man. I wish he was still in Cleveland, but whatever. Alright, Dallas, there you go, man. You got the Kyrie Irving. Authentic autographed jersey, man. Jersey self was 110 pounds. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, 5 times. Dallas, free spot in the bonus break for you. Here we go. Alright, once, twice. 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. Anthony Coleman. Anthony Coleman. Free spot for you. Okay, 29. 10 by 10's up next, guys. So make sure if you want to get in, we'll get that going. Full size basketball. Okay. Alright, premium basketball jersey 29 is good to go. That is a wrap. 10 by 10. Up next, if anybody wants in, go ahead. Full size lid, baseball jersey, Gold Rush mini, and basketball has 7 left. Hockey mini's moving as well. And then we can get some more Leaf Trinity moving if you guys want as well. Alright guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you. Thank you.